Welcome to thetechnologycloset.com and our quick shots. In this quick shot, we're going to show you how to turn on by default the NumLock key on boot up in Windows 8.1. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but when Windows boots up, it does not by default turn on your NumLock key. Now, this is not important unless you don't mind typing some extra numbers. I do. I use numbers in my logon. Let me show you. I've just rebooted my computer. I'm going to type in my password without touching the NumLock key. Nothing happens. Why? Because I'm using numbers in my logon. Now I'm going to hit the NumLock key on my keyboard, and I'm going to retype in my password. And as you can see, it took it. Now I'm going to finish booting up. And now I'm back at the start screen. I like to have my NumLock key automatically activated when I reach this point. Here's how we do it in Windows 8.1. This is going to require a registry, and of course we do registry edits from the desktop, but please make sure you have a backup or at least a system restore point before you edit your registry. Let's go to the desktop. From the Windows button, right mouse click and select Run. Into the box, type in REGEDIT, Reg Edit, and click the OK button. This is going to require administrative rights, so click on Yes. In the registry editor, we want to select H-key users. Underneath H-key users, we want to select Default. Under Default, we want to select Control Panel. Under Control Panel, we want to select Keyboard. On the right side of the screen, you'll see Initial Keyboard Indicators, and there's a number next to it. This is the default setting for Windows 8.1. We're going to change it so that it does boot and give us the NumLock key on the boot process. To do that, double-click on the initial keyboard indicators. You'll see a number 21, 47, 48, 36, 48. This is a default number. What does it mean? I have no idea. But I can tell you this. If you edit all of those numbers out, except for the number 2, and click on OK, you'll now see that it's been changed. Let's close down the registry editor. And now we're going to reboot and see if I do have the numbers and see if I do have the NumLock key available to me at the time I type in my login. So we're going to reboot. Okay, we're at my login screen. I'm now going to type in my password without touching the NumLock key. And by golly, it worked. Let's log in. See if it took my password, which are numbers. And we're back at the start screen. Well, that's it for this quick shot. Please visit our website at www.thetechnologycloset.com. And while you're there, check out our YouTube channel. Until next time.